everyone, welcome to the PDNob channel. Let's say you're a tourist in Japan trying to read a Japanese sign, or a non-native speaker or student struggling to understand Japanese text in a complex study material. If you're trying to translate from Japanese to your native language, doing this task through traditional means is very difficult and time-consuming. PDNob Image Translator is an efficient tool for quickly translating Japanese text to English or any other language. In this video, I'll show you how to extract and translate Japanese text from images effortlessly using PDNob Image Translator. PDNob Image Translator has a highly accurate OCR and also makes it fast and easy to turn Japanese text into English or other languages. It is a lightweight application with an easy-to-use interface, a very high accuracy in recognizing Japanese characters, and the ability to work with several different image formats, be it JPEG, PNG, and others. It's perfect for scenarios like translating signs, printed documents, and text in documents that do not allow easy copy-paste options. Let's dive in and see how it works. To get started, visit the link in the description to download PDNob Image Translator to your Windows PC or Mac. Once you're on the official website, click on Get Started to get the executable file. After downloading, follow the instructions to install it. Once installation is complete, head over to your system tray where you will find the PDNob Image Translator. This is the interface where you can extract and translate text. Let me demonstrate how it's done. First, click on Import and use the Windows File Explorer to locate the image containing the Japanese text. PDNob supports multiple image formats such as PNG and JPEG, among others. For this demonstration, I'll select two images containing text in Japanese characters. Before moving on to the translation part, let me briefly show you the PDNob Image Translator interface. On the left, you will see a thumbnail preview of the images you have imported. The display area in the center shows the actual image you're working on, and the right side contains the text that has been extracted from the image. As you can see, you can highlight, edit, and append the extracted text. In the image display area, there are controls for zoom and rotate to help you get a better view of your image. Now, let's move on to translating the text. Below the image display, you will find a menu for selecting the language contained in the image, which in this case is Japanese. Below the extracted text area, you can select the target language you want to translate to, such as English. As you can see with these two images, I'll be translating from Japanese to English. Next, I'm going to import another image, making it 3 images now. There are 2 output modes, the single output and the multiple output. You can select all or some of the images to export the translated text. Once you've made your selection, go down to the Export Mode option and choose the mode. Single output combines the translated text from all selected images into one file, while multiple output keeps the translations for each image as separate files. When you're done selecting the mode, click on Export to save the file as a text file, doc, or PDF. Apart from importing images for translation, you can also extract text directly from your screen. Let's say you're viewing a document, watching a video, or browsing a website with text in Japanese. All you need to do is head over to the system tray, locate the PDNob Image Translator, right-click on it, and select Screenshot and Recognize. Then highlight the area of the screen containing the text you want to translate, change the translation language to English, and there you have it. This tool easily extracts and translates text from any displayed content, provided that the characters are clear and legible. Don't forget to choose your export mode and save the translated text in your preferred file format. For the best translation results, use high-quality images with well-lit and clearly legible characters. PDNob also supports handwritten text in multiple languages, making it versatile for a range of needs. As you've seen so far, PDNob Image Translator makes converting Japanese text from images simple and fast. Give it a try for your next translation challenge. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. If you also have questions or feedback, please drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.